Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got my friend Justin here helping us change the oil and do the maintenance on all of our tractors. He works for a bigger farm locally in Tillamook. He's just gonna come over here and help me out. He's gonna replace the hydraulic filters, the oil filters, and just everything that's in the general maintenance category. We pre-ordered all the filters and everything for him. Say hi, Justin. So he's got the first filter change, which is the hydraulic filter. He's gonna move into the engine oil filters and everything. And I'm just gonna leave him alone and set the camera down. What's going on in there, Justin? What's taking you so long?
Another John Deere.
There's a bracket in there that's fucking Justin over when he's trying to get into the oil filter there. Justin's on the fill filter with the sensor. Got the oil and the hydraulic fluid filters changed. Got the TN60 next and the 75. Yeah. Progress is good, huh, Justin? Just checking on the cows here. Got little helper Georgie hanging out. Everyone looks pretty happy. You happy back there, Georgie? Probably should have pressure washed this one before. Yeah. Before you had to do it.
That's not how we roll. We don't got money or time for that. Even the little tractor's getting some love today. Justin's the man. He's got the big tractor done. He's got the 60 horse done. I believe he's got the skid steer done. Not yet. Still got to do the skid steer in the 75. But he's only been here for a couple hours, so he's making good time. Uncle, making good time. So on this JCB, got a couple of filters that are in easy spots, but there's also a couple. I don't know if you can see it, but it's way down there. And it's one of those, why in the fuck would you put it there filters? Right down in there. Justin's not stoked. So on the JCB, the cab flips open, and then you can get under the undercarriage here, and you just try to clean all that out. It's kind of a nightmare because there's only one exit hole in the middle, so you just end up kicking the dust around, but might as well clean it while we're there. It's about noon now. Justin's adding some oil into the JCB. We're almost done. Look at that cute little blue filter. Wow, so cute. And then we got the 75 and we're done. With the brown, we're done. Justin's on the 75, the last tractor. Should go pretty quick. JCB had a couple of places that were just a little tight. Don't you have skin problems?
Well, I just want to make sure we have this. It's an 8425 7511.